We are using two Millions-Winsumart robot feeder to be automatic working together. Meantime, for the front pole, there is a large suction cup to grasp the plate strongly like this works. More precise to fit the metal plate, also recommended for upper and low die. The parallelism is excellent. Fast speed to another side. And a super strong suction and also very stability. You will see 360-degree rotation. Love this project, you will know that can be save money, save labor cost. Choose for Millions-Winsumart press brake, it would be your wise decision. Writing message to Millions-Winsumart, we will reply you within 24 hours. Thank you to watching YouTube channel for Millions-Winsumart Intelligence.